Want your videos to look professional without spending a single penny? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how. Hey everyone, I'm Sam from Sam Learn TV, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your videos from amateur to pro level using completely free tools, and we'll do it all in under 10 minutes. This is perfect for beginners or anyone on a budget who wants to create amazing content. Ready? Let's dive in. The magic tool we'll be using is called DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't heard of it, you're in for a treat. It's the same software used by Hollywood professionals, but it has a fantastic free version that is incredibly powerful. Just head over to their website, download it, and install it. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once you've got it open, you'll see it looks a little complex, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the essentials. All right, first things first. Let's get our footage into the editor. You can simply drag your video files from your computer and drop them right into the media pool. A pro tip right from the start, keep things organized. Create different bins, which are basically just folders for your main footage, B-roll, audio, and graphics. Trust me, this will save you a massive headache later on and speed up your workflow immensely. Now that our clips are in, it's time for the most fundamental part of editing, cutting and trimming. Find the clip you want to work on in your timeline. You can use the razor tool to make cuts. A super quick way to do this is by moving your playhead to where you want to cut and pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. It splits the clip right there. Now you can select the parts you don't want, like mistakes, long pauses, or just boring bits, and hit the delete key. Just like that, you're tightening up your story and keeping your viewers engaged. To make your video flow smoothly from one scene to the next, we need to add transitions. A jarring jump cut can sometimes work, but for a clean, professional look, a simple transition is best. Go to the Effects library and find the Video Transitions section. The most common and versatile one is the Cross Dissolve. Just drag it and drop it right between two clips on your timeline. See how it creates a gentle fade from one shot to the next? It makes the viewing experience so much better. Next up, let's add some text and titles. This is great for introductions, lower thirds with your name, or calling out key points. Head over to the Titles section in the Effects library. You'll see a bunch of presets. Just grab a basic text plus title, drag it onto a new video track above your clip, and position it where you want it to appear. From there, you can easily customize the text, change the font, adjust the size, and pick any color you like to match your brand or video style. This next step is where the real magic happens: color correction and grading. This can instantly make your video look 10 times more professional. Go to the color page. It might look intimidating, but we'll stick to the basics. Using the color wheels, you can adjust the brightness, boost the contrast to make the image pop, and increase the saturation to make your colors more vibrant. Just a few small tweaks can make a massive difference. Look at this before and after. It's a night and day change. No video is complete without sound. Let's add some background music to set the mood. You can find tons of great royalty-free music online. Once you've found a track you like, just drag it onto an audio track in your timeline, underneath your main video and audio. A crucial step is to adjust the volume. You want the music to support the video, not overpower your voice. Right-click the audio clip and lower the volume so it sits nicely in the background. We're almost done. The final step is to export your masterpiece. Go to the Deliver page. This is where you'll choose your export settings. For YouTube, a great all-around choice is the MP4 format with the H.264 codec. Set the resolution to 1080p for high definition and make sure the quality is set to high. Give your file a name, choose where you want to save it, and hit Add to Render Queue. Then just click Render All, and the software will create your final video file. And there you have it. Just look at this transformation. On one side, the raw, unedited footage, and on the other, our professionally edited video. All done in just a few minutes, and completely for free. It's amazing what you can achieve with the right tools and a little know-how. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more content like this, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.